Want to make Facebook easier on your eyes or save a little battery life on your Android phone? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode in the Facebook app using the latest 2026 interface. To begin, unlock your Android phone and launch the Facebook app. Before following the steps, make sure the app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may not include the same menu layout or dark mode settings. After opening Facebook, tap your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account menu where you'll find various settings and options. Now scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. A few more options will appear. From there, select Settings to open Facebook's main settings page. Continue scrolling until you find the Preferences section. Here, tap Dark Mode to view the available display options. You'll usually see two choices. On. This keeps Facebook in dark mode all the time. System. Facebook automatically follows your phone's light or dark theme. Choose the option that works best for you. As soon as you tap it, Facebook will instantly switch to the selected appearance without requiring a restart. If the dark mode setting isn't available on your phone, don't worry. Simply update Facebook through the Google Play Store, close the app completely, and reopen it. You can also restart your phone if the new settings don't appear immediately. Dark mode is especially useful when using Facebook at night because it reduces screen brightness and can make reading more comfortable. On phones with OLED or AMOLED displays, it may even help reduce battery usage. Success! Dark mode is now active. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Android guides.